Magsino, 3-point shot. No good. Rebound by Johnson. Ito na, number 3. Here we go. What a nice pass. Up. Again. Foul number 21. 2 shots. Set. Oh yeah, third foul, CJ. No good. Oh good. All right, ito na. Ito na. Ito na. Oh. Whoa. For 3. No good. Rebound by Johnson. Moving the ball. Pass to number 3. Johnson, ito na. Johnson remove. Wala, tumasa. Up. White ball. Pull up, no good. Rebound by CJ. Left foul rebound. Oh. Here we go. Get on the ball. Bringing the ball. Tira yan. Tira yan. 3 points. 3 points. Pull up jumper. Good. 42-30, favor of Stingers. Ito na. Down. This foul rep. Number 3 of White. Third personal foul. Third. Good shot. One more shot, CJ. There you go. Substitution. No good. Oh. Right ball. Bola para Charleston. Here we go. Score 22-31. All right. Maxino dribbling the ball. Nasa ka number 28. Asas kasama niya. Ito, dribbling the ball. Wala, double team. Pinasa, tinira, tres. No good. Rebound by, no good. Bola. Bola number 28 ng Charleston. Tinira naman. Oh, wala, nice pass. Wala, tinira. Oh! Nakagawan. Bola ng Stingers. Good defense. Ito na. Stingers. Pushing the ball. Pull up. 3-point shot. Anymore! 3 points by Stingers. Huwag yung pakiranan. Ito na. Magsino. 3 points. Pabawi ba? No good. Rebound by Cecilio. Pinaling kay Ronmo. Wala, Stingers. Pushing the ball. Pinasa kay Cecilio. What a nice pass. One shot for Cecilio. What a nice pass. Good setup. Good. 37-22. Again, favor of Stingers. Up, timeout! Timeout, White. Time remaining, 14 minutes and 49 seconds in the second half. Here we go. Magsino. Here the play. Ayan, here we go. Geronimo all the way. 2 points. Stingers. Ganda ng depensa. Ito na. Charleston, number 13. Setting up the play. Yun. Nasa kasama. Leg. Oh! Ayan, tutira. Asagad. Pull-up jumper. Wala. 28. Oh. Pass. Yun. Steal. Steal. Up. Foul number 15. Pushing foul. Charleston. Time out, Rep. Time out. Ito na. Pinapasok na yung second team ng Stingers. Ito, Magallanes. Ito, Lanza Fuentes. Number 32. Oh, what a play! What a play, nice Stingers. Good play. Good pull-up jumper, number 3, no good. Rebound by Talibo. Fuentes, rebound. Ito na, Magallanes. We beat the ball. Pinasa kay Valdez. Valdez! Pinasa sa kusina. Okay lang yan. Mamaya may pagkain dyan. Kunti walang pagkain. Yes. Yes. Here we go. Charleston. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebound. And number 32. Pinasa. To Fuentes. What a nice fake. Up. What? Delay game on Stingers. The next one will be technical. Oh, yeah. Technical foul. They have one earlier. 2 shots. Ref, 2 shots or 1 shot? 2 shots, yeah, 2 shots. Nice. One more shot. Time remaining, 12 minutes, 48 seconds. Nice. All right, 24-43. Favor of Stingers. May pag-asa pa. Sabi niya. Rebound by number 32. Pinasa kay Valdez. Ito, Valdez. All the way. Pinasa kay Calibo. Wow. 28. Number 28. Foul number 28. 2 shots for Calibo. Nice pass by. Here we go. Good. One more shot. No good. Rebound by Charleston. Pushing the ball. Oh, coast to coast. One nice move. No good. Rebound by Calibo. Here we go. Ito na. 32, setting up the play. Valdez, titira yan. Wala, hindi. Magallanes. Nice pull-up jump shot, good. Magallanes, 2 points. Time, 11 minutes and 16 seconds. 28 for 3. No good. Rebound by Calibo. Foul. Wala pa. Valdez, pinasa kay Fuentes. Nasa kay Valdez. Calibo, pull up jumper, nice. Good shot. Good play. There's a play. Ito na, number 13. Coast to coast, nasa number 28. Oh, tapik ni Valdez. Rebound, no good. Rebound, no good. Pass to Magallanes. Pull up jumper. No good. Out of bounds. Substitution up. Out of bounds. All right. Remember next game, Charleston, Wentworth versus Columbia. Wala po ng Charleston. Ito na. Number 3. Moving the ball with Charleston. Whoa! 2 points. Nice. Layup. Balik yung Magallanes. Magallanes, stay on the play. Consequentes. Tira yan, 3 points. Calibo, no good. Rebound by Calibo. 2 points. Calibo, here we go. Number 28. Tira 13, tira 3. No good. Lumabas. Rebound by Magallanes. Mangpo ang Stingers, 15-26. Number 32, Calibo. Number play, ganda ng pasa, wala. Fuentes, binalik, number 32. One hand pull up there. One hand shot, nice. Well, jumper. Here we go. Traveling violation. Magallanes. Oh, one crossover by Magallanes. Nice, 2 points. Crossover. No good. One more, 2 points. Charleston. 28-54. Nakaga naman ang Charleston. Layup, no good. On the block. Nakaga na naman. Kuha. Ayan, kuha na. Tira yan. Tira 3. No good. Rebound by Valdez. Magallanes. Stay up to play for Stingers. Nice! Binalik pa! What the pass! No good! Ito, binalik kay Magallanes. 2 points! Stingers. Ganda ng pasahan. Foul! 32, number 32 of Stingers. His third team foul. Substitution, there we go. Second team foul. And second personal foul. Ito na, Charleston, shut down the play. Good, pull up jumper. No good. Rebound in Charleston. 2 points. 30-56 ang score. Time remaining, 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Next game, Fort Wentworth versus Columbia. Nandito na po ang ating pagkain. Dinadala ng ating magandang asawa. 2 points by Charleston. Stingers, sorry. 3 points by number 28. 2 points! by number 28 of Charleston. 3. Valdez, babawi si Valdez! 3 points by Valdez. Walker. Ina naman, number 28. Oh, good. Rebound by CJ. You need the ball. Tira yan. Princess, tira yan. Oh, good. Rebound by number 28. 5 minutes left. 40 seconds. Oh, foul. Counted. Huh? Go. 20-25. This is the first half game between Stingers and Charleston. 55 seconds left. Whoa, out is no good. Oh. Foul. Number 9. 2 shots. Number 9. First. Right, 46 seconds left in the first half. Score 20-25. One more shot. Oh, no shot violation for Johnson. And that's 45 seconds. And the first up, Magallanes. Oh. What a bad pick. No good. Magallanes, no good. So now, 30 seconds left. And then Johnson pushing the ball. Oh, I'll take the ball down. Ball at Johnson. 23.5 seconds. 23.5 seconds left for the first shot. Ayun. Pinasa. Number 13. Ayun. Pinasa number 28. Ay, traveling. Kitang-kita. 10 seconds left. 10 seconds for the first half. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 1. Enough. Time. One more shot. Meron ba yung mga kape natin? Time remaining 5 minutes for second half. Next game, Columbia versus Fort Wentworth. Good. Number 28, 36-61. Again, Magallanes. Dribbling the ball, setting up the play. Second CJ, up. Time out, Rick. Time out, Stingers for the last. There we go. Charleston setting up the play. Number 13, dribbling ball. Nasa ka 28, titira naman 3. Wala. Rebound by number 13 of Charleston. Nakagaw ni Geronimo. Pinasa. Kapalayan for 2 points. Nice! Wow! Left-handed pa. Taguan. Rian, up. Foul left. Foul number 28 of Stingers. Third team foul. 14 foul. Sorry. Two shots. Good. One more. 37-63. No good. Oh, rebound. Nakuha. Oh, lumabas pa. Ito na, ang Charleston. Ito na ang Stinger, sabi. Oh, ito na, Silio. Tira yan, press. No good. Rebound by Queen. 2 points. 65-37. Oh, rebound. Nasa kay Paulus Lee. Geronimo. Nice. Layup. 2 points. Geronimo. That's number 13. Charleston. Marap na kasama. Nasa kay 28. Leaving the ball. 3-point shot. No good. Move. Na, rebound by Stinger. Ito na. MJ. OFB ito. Balik kay Ronnie mo. Ayun. Pasa sa ilalim. Wala. Nakuha ni Pian. Pinasa sa kasama. Napasa sa kalaban. What a nice layup by MJ. 2 points for Stinger. Ito na, number 13. Pull up jumper. Palomang pera ulit. Rebound by Cecilio. Pinasa kay MJ. 2 minutes left for this quarter. Well, 2 points again. MJ. Ready for next game. Fort Wentworth versus Columbia. 1 minute and 56 remaining. Layup by Paul. Here we go. 1:38 remaining. Pull up jumper. No good. And ayaw pumasok. Nasa, tira yan. What a pass. No good. Rebound by MJ. Ayun. Grabe naman. Grabe naman. Tira, sino? 3 points. Hi, Max. Dino. Rian. Okay, next game. You're ready. No good. Okay, we got 45 seconds left. Okay, next game, get ready.
I'm not on your team.
Alright, open po ang tindahan ng bayan. The Filipino food is ready to serve. Oh, 3 points. Lefty shot. 10 seconds left. Hey, Singers! Good game. Next game.